lonesome dripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips like on fire, but it's over now.
Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have tons of cleaning motivation for you. I will be cleaning out my room, my bathroom, doing some laundry, and also I will be sharing with you a shrimp recipe. I am going to be making aguachile. So if you want to learn how to do aguachile, or if you are interested to see how I do that, then just keep on watching.
Losing track, even God knows.
I will be putting in my bedding and also my duvet into the washer before I start separating all the clothes. If you can see in here, I have tons of clothes on the floor, and that is all the kids. They've been watching their clothes and doing it all by themselves, but somehow some of their clothes always end up on the floor. So I'm going to be taking all that out and separate it. But before I do that, I want to make sure that I put in this load first. Also, I want to let you guys know that this is a collaboration with Eliza. She has similar content as mine. She does a lot of cleaning, organizing, and savings. So go show her some love and let her know that I sent you. And if you're coming from her channel, welcome. My name is Anna. I am a mom of 4 boys. And in my channel, you will find a lot of cleaning motivation, health, mommy lifestyle videos. So if you're interested on seeing any of this type of content, then subscribe to my channel, become part of this amazing family. And I will be pre-cooking the shrimp for the aguachile. These are some of the ingredients that you're going to be using. I bought these bags of shrimp at Fry's at Kroger's. I like to clean my shrimp completely because it is pre-cleaned from one side, but the other side of the shrimp, it still has that black vein, and you don't want to eat that part. I mean, if you don't mind, then you can pre-cook it with the lime just like that. But I like to cut and clean my shrimp, so that's what I am going to be doing in here. It is best if you cook the shrimp with the lime overnight, but you can also do it at least 6 hours before adding the rest of the ingredients. So the way I clean in here, I cut it from the top of the shrimp and then cut it almost all the way to the end, but not enough, only in a way where you can make it as a butterfly. And it is really easy to take the other vein. You just cut it and take out the vein with the pointy part of the knife, and then just wash it off with the water. Once you have all this shrimps clean, I do like to wash it and then start cutting the limes. It's best if you use limes. You can use lemon, but it wouldn't taste the same. I think that the limes have a little bit more of a strong taste to it, and it cooks the shrimp a little bit faster than the lemons. So once I'm done with my shrimp, I will be cutting the limes, add it into the shrimp, also adding some pepper, salt, and then cover it so I can add it into the fridge and let it sit in there for at least 6 hours. It is best if you let it sit in the fridge for overnight, because the shrimp will literally be cooked a little bit better. But if you don't have enough time, 6 hours will be good enough, as long as all the shrimp it's covered with all the lime. I'm also gonna be cutting my purple onion and some cucumbers. Again, you can add in some limes into the cucumbers and the onions, and I actually love to do that as well, but I didn't have enough limes to do that. So I'm just gonna be cutting the onion and then the cucumber. That way I can have everything ready by the time I can combine everything together. Everything is already pre-cut.
Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
And while our shrimp and veggies are pre-cut and pre-cooking in the fridge. I'm gonna continue with the laundry. I will be taking out every single clothes of the laundry, putting it outside, and start separating it. Now, once again, all of this clothes, it's all combined with a dirty and clean clothes. I had shared and here, and some of this clothes was on top of it because it was clean, but then my kids decided to grab that shared and threw everything on the floor. So at the end, I didn't know what was clean and dirty, so I ended up separating everything, and that way I can start washing. I wasn't able to finish the full laundry. It took me 2 days to do it. And plus the kids kept adding more clothes to it. So it took me more than just 1 day. Now I'm going to continue on my bathroom and taking all the clutter away from the sink, put it in the proper place. Once again, I have everything on both sides, mine and my husband. I try to do my makeup somewhere else, but I always end up doing it in here. And even though we are home, I try to do my makeup every day just so I can feel more alive and, you know, a little bit more happier. But still, I keep putting everything on top of the sink and always end up on my side, on my husband's side as well.
Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you.
I am going to be adding the Clorox gel into the toilet and also spraying my DIY that I did for the pee odor. I use this one mainly on the kids' bathroom, but they also use mine as well. So I just want to take all that odor away, and I'm going to be using that one. And at the same time, I will be spraying my shower cleaner. That way they can start soaking, and by the time I'm done with the sink and all the other areas, the toilet and the shower are a little bit more soaked, so they are easier to be cleaned.
Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture.
I will be using the same cleaner that I did use for my shower on the sink. I'm trying to use all my cleaners that I have, and some of them are almost empty. So I'm just trying to use alternatives to clean some other areas. I do like to clean with the Method products as well, and I do have some of those. But whenever I do have a lot of makeup on my sinks, I like to use a little bit of a stronger product, and I feel that this shower cleaner cleans very well, and plus it smells really good as well.
It's game on. Racing past with the light. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture. Like the sun kisses the cloud. Keep us going steady. It's game on. Like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on. Racing past with the light. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture. Like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on.
For my makeup brushes, I like to use the Castile soap. This is the one that I've been using for at least almost a year, I will say. And plus, since it is a really big bottle, it lasts me really long time. I don't have a lot of dirty brushes, but still I want to make sure to keep them clean, because if I don't wash them right away, I feel that I just start collecting more brushes, and by the end of the week, I have all my brushes dirty. So and plus, since we are home, even though I do my makeup, I don't use them as often. Again, I do my makeup once in a while just to feel a little bit more happier, but there are some days that I will not use makeup, and that's one of the reasons why I don't have a lot of them that are dirty, which it's a plus for me.
Just like in the movies, with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time when I was...
I'm gonna let the brushes dry overnight, and I'm going to be burning this wax melts. I recently purchased them at Walmart, and they smell really, really good. It's kind of like the sage candle that I do have, but it's a little bit less overpowering. By this time, the toilet, it is well soaked already. And now I know that I did add in the gel, the liquid gel, and I still like to use my Clorox wands. These are the only ones that I have now. I don't have any brushes or anything like that, and that's why I use it. But it did add the gel because it's just making that yellow ring around the toilet again, and I just don't want it to get more yellowy. Now I do use my Method product in here, and I usually clean from the top first and then all the way to the bottom. And then I like to use my paper towels on the toilet. I feel that it's a little bit more sanitized. I don't like to use any fiber cloth or anything like that on the toilet. I rather use the paper towels and then just toss them away. Now we are going to continue with the shower, and there is a few areas that are getting rusty, like in here. And for that, I will be adding the same DIY that I did around the toilet into the shower. The spray that I added in earlier, it got dry. It still really works, but I like to add in a little bit more water. So I thought that it would be easier to add this DIY, and it took the yellow parts right away. And to clean it, I do use my brush. I used to use a sponge, but I am trying to get rid of the sponge little by little and just start incorporating other tools when it comes to cleaning. In this case, I use my brush, and to clean it out with the soap, I do use a little container with water to take all that soap away, and then use my squeegee to take all that excess water away from it.
Try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you.
By this time, my bedding and my duvet are dry, but again, I do like to iron my bedding once they come out of the dryer, even though it does take the wrinkles away a little bit, but I still feel that they're still wrinkly, so I like to iron it. And I do have a video on showing you guys how I do iron my bedding and also adding a duvet. In case you guys want to go check that one out, I will be linking it down below and also adding it up in the eye guards. I hope you're getting motivated with this video. If you're enjoying this so far, give me that thumbs up to let me know that you are enjoying this. Also, if you're still watching this and if you're not subscribed, hit that red button so you can be part of this amazing family, and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload videos, because I don't have a set schedule and I really don't want you to miss any of my future videos, because I have a tons of cleaning motivation and a lot of remodeling around the house. So I'm really excited to share with you guys all those DIYs and remodelings around the house.
So far away, baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away, we're locked together, far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration to an unknown destination, can't you see? I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere.
Now for the fun part. Once our shrimp are cooked, we are gonna transfer it to a bigger container and we are gonna start making the sauce. For the sauce, I will be adding in some jalapenos, some cilantro, and also some lime juice. Again, it's better if you use the lime juice instead of the lemon, since it is a little bit more stronger. And then just blend all that together. You really don't have to add any salt or pepper to the sauce. You can add it after, once you add the sauce into the shrimp. Once you have all this combined, you can start adding your cucumbers and your onion. Again, if you are able to soak the cucumber and the onion with some lime as well, it will be even better. And this is how it ended up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this. And also don't forget to go check out Eliza's channel and go show her some love. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now.